Those tiny dark spots on your nose. You've looked at them every morning, tried to ignore them. But today we remove them the right way. What you're about to experience isn't just a routine. It's a ritual, a carefully crafted, step-by-step Korean skincare journey that will transform your pores from congested and dull to clean, refined, and luminous. Let's talk about what's actually happening inside your pores. Think of each pore as a tiny tunnel that runs beneath your skin's surface. Its job is simple: let oil flow up, keep skin balanced, keep skin alive. But when dead skin cells, excess sebum, and environmental debris begin to collect at that opening, the tunnel gets blocked. Air reaches that blockage, oxidation happens, and what you see as a blackhead, that dark dot, isn't dirt, it's your pore telling you it needs help. Not punishment, not pressure, help. Step by step, step 1. We cleanse. Apply a few pumps in the first, just a few pumps in the palm. Massage it into dry skin in slow circular motions. This is double cleansing, the cornerstone of Korean skincare, and it works because oil dissolves oil. That makeup, that SPF, that layer of day-old sebum sitting on your skin right now, it lifts away effortlessly. Now rinse, then follow with your water-based cleanser. Something gentle, something that foams soft and light, like clouds. Pat dry, do not rub. Your skin at this moment is clean, warm, and ready. Now we prepare the pores. Steam. Hold your face above warm steam for 60 to 90 seconds. This single step is the difference between forcing your pores open and inviting them to open. Feel the warmth. The pores are softening, expanding, they're ready. Step 2. The BHA. Apply a BHA, a beta-hydroxy acid, most commonly salicylic acid, onto a cotton pad and press it gently across your nose, chin, and forehead. Here's where most people go wrong. They expect instant results. They wipe aggressively. They repeat too soon. No. BHA works by traveling inside the pore. It is oil-soluble, the only acid that can actually go beneath the surface and dissolve the congestion from within. Let it sit. 30 seconds, a full minute. Breathe. Step 3. The clay mask. Apply a thin, even layer of a kaolin or bentonite clay mask across the areas of congestion. Notice how it catches the light. Clay is your pore's magnet. As it dries, it draws excess oil, impurities, and debris upward, pulling them toward the surface, making extractions gentler, safer, and far more effective. Leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. This is the moment. Every pore has been warmed, softened, cleared from the inside out. Now, extraction. Wrap your fingertips in clean tissue or cotton. Never bare nails. Never metal extractors without professional training. Position your fingers on either side of the blackhead, not directly on top of it. Apply slow, downward pressure, and then inward and upward. You're not forcing it out, you're guiding it. If it doesn't release in 2 gentle attempts, leave it. Let the BHA and clay continue to work. Forcing never wins. Notice that with proper preparation, most blackheads release with almost no pressure at all. That's the Korean skincare philosophy at work. Patience over pressure, method over force. What not to do now? 3 things you must never do. Not today, not ever. First, never extract on dry, unsprepped skin. Cold, tight pores resist extraction. You force the content sideways into the skin, not outward. That creates inflammation. That creates breakouts. Second, never use your bare nails. The bacteria beneath fingernails bypass your skin barrier in seconds. What starts as a blackhead becomes a cyst. Third, never extract the same pore more than twice in one session. If it's not ready, it's not ready. Over-extraction tears the pore wall, causing permanent enlargement and scarring. Your patience today is your skin's protection tomorrow. Post-care, now we heal. After extraction, your skin has done real work. The pores are open, the barrier is exposed. This is the moment it needs the most care and the most gentleness. Apply a toner with Centella asiatica or green tea extract. These are your skin's calming signals. They whisper to inflamed cells, slow down, it's safe now. Follow with a niacinamide serum. Niacinamide, 10% or less, will gently tighten the appearance of those freshly cleared pores, regulate the sebum production that caused congestion in the first place, and begin fading any post-extraction redness within days. Pat it in, don't rub. Ceramides. A ceramide-rich moisturizer is your skin's final layer of armor tonight. It seals everything in, restores the barrier, protects the work you've just done. Your skin right now feels calm, clean, like it can finally breathe. Prevention plus long-term tips before we finish. 3 habits that will keep your pores clear long after today. First, double cleanse every evening, no exceptions. Sleeping in even trace amounts of sunscreen or pollution is the #1 contributor to ongoing congestion. Second, use your BHA 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Your skin needs rhythm, not aggression. Consistent, moderate exfoliation beats intense, infrequent treatment every time. Third, change your pillowcase at least twice a week. While you sleep, your pillow collects oil, bacteria, and dead skin cells, and then presses them back against your face for 8 hours. A clean pillowcase is skincare you do without even thinking about it. Small habits, compounding results, final protection, and tomorrow morning, before you walk out that door, sunscreen. This is not optional, this is not extra. After extraction, after exfoliation, after any active skincare, your skin is temporarily more sensitive to UV radiation. Sun damage will darken post-extraction marks, widen pores over time, and undo every careful thing you've just done. SPF 30 minimum, SPF 50 preferred. Apply it like you mean it. because everything you've built tonight, that clarity, that smooth surface, those refined pores, deserve to be protected. Emotional closure, look at your skin right now, not with criticism, with care. This routine wasn't just about removing blackheads. It was about learning how to listen to your skin, to understand what it needs, to respond with patience instead of pressure. Your skin works every single day to protect you. Thank you for watching.